Is your iPhone running out of storage? Here's the real way to clear app cache on Apple iPhone. Let's get started. Unlike Android, iPhone does not have a single button to clear app cache. But there are two effective ways to free up cached data. First, open the App Store. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap Personalized Recommendations. Tap Clear App Usage Data, then tap Clear. This removes usage data, but not all app cache. Now open Settings. Tap General, then iPhone Storage. You'll see a list of apps and how much space they use. Tap an app that's using a lot of storage. Tap Offload App. This removes cached files, but keeps your app data. After that, tap Reinstall App. This clears cache and refreshes the app. Repeat this for apps over 1 GB in size to free up storage safely. And that's the correct way to clear app cache on iPhone. Like and subscribe for more iPhone tips.